bettas from Audrey that have spawned. This is Mr. Green Jeans and his mate. He's doing an awesome job. Dog crates. They have to go up at night or else I wouldn't get any sleep. My 125-gallon tank with Discus Angel bristlenose. 10-gallon breeding tank for my Sakuri shrimp. 55-gallon tank emptied from the tilapia that were overwintered. What's going in there is to be announced. 55-gallon hex with my fancy goldfish. Here are my Hellgazy ditchers. They live to be about 20 years old. Really extreme carnivores. 20-gallon long. Hopefully soon breeding pair of my emerald bettas. You can't see them, but they're in there. There's only one pair. Next to them is about a 25-gallon tall, same type of betta. 1 male, 4 females. All of my emeralds are very, very young. These get up to be about, oh, here's the male. You can't see him very well. They grow up to be 2.5 to 3 inches long. He's saying hi. Right next to him, or them, is my 55-gallon squat. In here, I have everything you can't have with a betta. I've got 3 Burmese border loaches. There's my salamander betta from Audrey. I have reticulated, let's see if I can find them. Reticulated Hillstream loaches, neon tetras. The reticulated loaches and bluefin loaches are the same size and very small. Anyhow, there's my albino rainbow shark. Heaven help me, I've got him in with a betta, a male one to boot that has nice flowing fins. Neon tetras, long fins, white clouds. Oh, let's see, am I missing anybody? I don't know. Oh, lots of Sakuri shrimp. Would you believe it? They're not getting ate up by the other fish. There's the betta from Audrey. Very, very beautiful fish. No female for him. I will find one. That's my fishes.